Welcome back to TechKidFX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Harmony One, whose current price stands at the $0.01994 mark, and here on TradingView the market is up by 0.66%. and in this video I want to give you the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. Harmony One from the all-time high has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, which has now taken us back to around the $0.016 mark. And starting my analysis here on the daily chart, here on the daily chart you can see we had been trading within this descending channel. We managed to break out of that descending channel to the upside. We also managed to break above key areas of resistances, and at the key area of resistance at around the $0.03476 mark we got rejected, and we are seeing a massive pullback to the lower side. If I jump to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 4-hour chart, after making our low at around the $0.016 mark, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, and you can see we had been making a series of highs, meaning that the buyers were taking over the market, but at some point they lost it to the sellers, who took us back to around the $0.18 mark. Then we saw a very nice bounce to the upside. We had also been trading within this channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the upside and continued pushing higher, and this movement to the upside, I was terming it as an Elliot wave structure in my previous videos, having this as the first wave to the upside. Then we saw a second wave, a third wave, and I expected a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 4, then continue pushing higher in the formation of a wave 5 to complete a higher Elliot wave count 1. But that movement in that Elliot wave structure was invalidated the moment our wave 4 over here retraced into the high of the first wave, that is retracing to around the $0.027 mark. And having done so, I had to remove this Elliot wave structure from the charts, and now I'm viewing this movement to the upside as a massive ABC correction that was correcting that movement to the lower side that gave us a low at around the $0.016 mark. And after seeing a massive ABC correction, whatever we expect on this other side is the formation of a 5-wave structure, and that 5-wave structure could be giving us lower lows here on this chart very soon. So if I jump to the 4-hour chart so that I can sketch out a 5 structure to the lower side over here, we can have this movement right here as the first wave. We have our first wave over here, then we saw a wave 2, then continued pushing lower in the formation of a third wave right there, then a wave 4, then we continued pushing even lower in the formation of a 5th wave to the lower side, which will be completing the formation of the first wave to the lower side. And if I get a little bit into the details of the formation of this fractal wave so that it can give me the key scenarios that I expect to play out, after making the high for that second wave, we expected a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of a third wave, and using the trend-based Fibonacci's, we can get a target area for that third wave to the lower side, connecting the fibs like that. And you can see that gives me a minimum target area for that third wave at around the fib level 1.618, that is at around the $0.021 mark, and you can see we retraced into that target area. So Harmony One respected that, and we made our low for that third wave to the lower side, then saw a very nice bounce over here in the formation of a wave 4, then continued pushing lower in the formation of a wave 5 over here, which has taken us back to around the $0.018 mark. And having done so, I believe that first wave to the lower side has come to a complete, and whatever I'm expecting to see here on this chart is the formation of a wave 2. And because a wave 2 is a retracement of the first wave, we can use the Fibonacci's to get a minimum target area for that second wave to the upside, connecting the fibs from that high that we have there, then to this low down here, and that gives me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.5, which is the area right there. And if I remove the fibs, you can see our target area lies between the $0.026 mark and the $0.024 mark. So that gives me the key scenarios that I expect to play out on this chart. I expect to continue seeing higher prices here on the Harmony 1 chart and manage to break above this key area of resistance that we have at around the $0.021 mark, continue pushing higher once we see a retest of that key area of resistance, also manage to break above the key area of resistance that you have at around the $0.023 mark and continue pushing higher, and that move should take us into this red target area for that second wave up here. And once we get into this red target area and maybe maximize it, then we can expect a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of a third wave to the lower side. And once we maximize our red target area for that second wave, then using the Fibonacci's, the trend based Fibonacci, we can sketch out a target area for that third wave to the lower side. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. We can also note that we are also trading above a key area of support at around the $0.018 mark, so that is giving us support. So let's be patient and see whether we are going to manage to break above that key area of resistance and continue pushing higher to get into our red target area. Also having a look at the indicators to see whether those movements here on the RSI will be supported. On the RSI we are trading at around the 48 mark, and that means we have massive room for us to support any movement to the upside and also to the downside, but I hope we continue pushing higher. On the MACD we have printed a bullish cross, and that would mean higher prices could be coming our way, so we might see the formation of a wave 2, then continue seeing lower prices in the formation of a third wave. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.